Hi, to set up fingerprint on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, as a first step, we would need to go in the phone settings. Here in the main settings, search for the tab Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock, select it, and now choose this section Fingerprint Unlock. Let's tap it, and as you can see, before setting up fingerprint, we would need to set up either pattern, PIN code or password. I'm gonna select PIN code. Here we can see the pop-up warning that we need to remember this PIN code. Just tap this Got It button and here enter your PIN code. And now we need to confirm it. And after that, we can already add fingerprint. For that, we would need to place the finger on our power button, which is located on the right side of the phone, and just put it on the power button and lift when you feel slight vibration, like that. Here you need to complete the whole fingerprint circle, so just move it slightly, lift and press like that. Be patient, this may take some time, so just don't forget to adjust your grip to capture the edges of your fingerprint and continue just pressing slightly the power button and lifting your finger. And now it's added, so we can also see this option to add face data, but we don't need it right now, so let's select cancel. And after that, we can also rename our fingerprint, and we can always also use emojis here. Just add something like that. Then save it, and here tap this done button to add your new fingerprint. Now let's test it. I'm gonna lock my phone, and now we need to simply put our finger on the power button to unlock it, and yep, it's working. If you want to delete your fingerprint, just go in this section. You will need to enter your PIN code and then select the fingerprint, and here just use this button to remove it. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.